Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back to another nighttime pouring episode. I was talking to my good friend Fiona from Fiona Art, and she was talking about all these different colors, and we were talking about adding yellow, and she's actually the inspiration for adding yellow to the last pour, which I will show you is right over there, and I'll show you the test one dried in just a minute. Let me show you my colors first though. But she did this pour this morning that was just amazing, and I will link it for you above, where she had this little split cup and she had the canvas on the spinner, and she was doing all these Quinacridone Burnt Orange and like this Nickel Azo Gold, and this, it was just so pretty, and it just like grabbed my brain, and I was like, I really want to try that. So I have tried to use the spinner with the big giant one HOA made me, and proved myself to be very uncoordinated because I couldn't do it. Since then I have gotten a regular cake spinner, so we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it on this little 12 by 12 test canvas, and if it works, I have a 20 inch round convexo canvas that we're gonna use. Let me show you the colors real quick. Okay, this one is Amsterdam greenish blue. My paint is mixed with Liquitex gloss medium and paint and Floetrol. It is leaving a mound on a mound. Okay, this is Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. This is Goldens Quinacridone Burnt Orange. Just amazing deliciousness. This one is Goldens Nickel Azo Gold, which I really love, and have been playing with more thanks to Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. I love this color, it's amazing. This one is new to me. This is Goldens Indian Yellow Hue, and it's not quite as bright as the cadmium yellow from Liquitex, but I like it. It's just a little bit deeper. Very pretty color though, so I'm excited about using that. And last but not least, we have Amsterdam White mixed with some Deco Art Americana Decor satin enamels in pure white. So, all right, so I want to try the spinny thing. Oh, I'm just going to show you the dried canvases. Okay. Okay. All right, so this was the first of the 24 by 24, which you guys saw me pour. Turned out really neat. Dried really nicely. There's the iridescent blue-green. A little bit of yellow popping through. I had more yellow on this corner and I lost it. And I was kind of bummed at the time, but I really do love this, and I love how it's just little pops of yellow. I love the little gold pearl cells. Let me turn this way so you can see them better. But that edge turned out really cool, and that was because I stretched that side more. I didn't stretch this side as much, so we only got a few. So, and I do love that black garnet. You can see it in the light. It's a little more purpley, shimmery, eggplanty, and not quite so brown looking. So this one turned out really cool. I really love this. This one was Elemental Vortex with that loopy spiral center.
So I kept falling into the vortex.
I'll show you the test piece too. And so that was the test piece. This is the one you guys didn't see me pour, but I did this right before that one because I wanted to test the yellow with the black garnet, and I like it. I do like it a lot. This is really cool to me. In some ways I almost like this one more than that one, just because I like these sides and edges. And so this one I had done a ring pour, but I didn't like the center, and I had a little bit left in the bottom of my cup, so I just poured a tiny bit in the middle again, which is why that part of the ring pour is more intact. It's not so spread apart like this rest. And you can do that too. Very easy little fix if you don't like the center. So this was the test one. This one's not quite dry in the middle yet, so I'm not touching it, but that turned out pretty neat also. I really do like the Amsterdam greenish blue, and I think it worked really well with the black garnet. So that was very good. Enough talk, let's do this. Okay, so for this little one, because I do test things, ooh, there's an owl out there. Somebody asked me if I could show you the coyotes. I actually can't because they don't ever come up close enough for me to see them. I just hear them. Okay, so we're gonna use a little test. It's either a 10 by 10 or I think that's a 10 by 10. Just to see if I can do the spinning and pouring at the same time. I don't know yet, we'll see. But I watched Fiona do it, and she's amazing, so. And also I will tell you one of the surprises, since Fiona already let the cat out of the bag. We are going to be doing a collab together, which I'm super excited about. She is awesome and amazing, and she gave me a little private lesson tutorial on the flower dips. So we're going to try, actually it's this one is the one that we did. And this was, we had so much fun just talking to each other on the phone. But I had pulled out HOA's spinner And I was like so excited that I put it on the table upside down, and then when I put this on there and spun it, it like flew, but I caught it. Oh my God, it was really funny. So this one turned out really neat though. Some beautiful details, some of the nice lacing in there. So I'm very excited about doing that. I'm color testing right now, so. But hopefully that will happen next week. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some, we're using our Tracy Reed 6-ounce split cup with the nifty cool little nozzle that I really like. And I'm gonna put some white in one side. Okay, then we're gonna come in with the Quinacridone Burnt Orange. Wait a minute, do I have too many colors? I do. Yeah, this is only 4. Okay, well maybe we'll layer. I'm gonna put some Quinacridone Burnt Orange in there. We'll go into the Nickel Azo Gold a little bit on top of that. I'll put some Indian yellow in there. And let's see. Let's use the blue green, or the green blue. I'm calling it blue green. It's Amsterdam greenish blue. Put a little bit of gold on top of that. Okay, so this already isn't going to work how I thought it was. But that's okay. Still be good to see if I can actually do the spinning thing with the pouring. Will be good. Okay, so this last one then, let's see. Let's put a little bit of white in the bottom again. And this is just going to be a test one, a little 10 by 12, so that's fine. I'm actually good to see how the colors all play together. Let's try the gold this time and then the yellow. Let's do the Quinacridone. Oops. Alright, that's okay. Okay. Alright. Moment of truth. So what I need to do is spin this as I pour this and move my hand around. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yeah, baby.
Okay, here we go. Cross your fingers. It's harder than it looks. Higher is giving me that feathery look that I like better. It's beautiful, it's amazing. Okay. So I think I messed that up pretty good. That's a lot more Nickel Azo Gold than I wanted, but that's okay, you know. This is experimentation. All right, I'm gonna take some of my white and thin it out and make it into a flow extender. I don't think I did that very well at all. Okay. Alright, just gonna pour this around here. Give the thing something to slide on. Alright, let's tilt this. Let's put that over there. All right. Okay, so I like what's happening up here on this edge. That's really groovy. Let's stretch this part out more. I don't love it. That's for sure. But that's okay. This is experimentation. This is how you learn. And I will play with that straight cup, straight pour, spinning the spinner more. I'm not going to do it now in front of you though. All right, so we're going to layer the cup again. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to take some water and just pour it in this little one. Because that definitely helps with getting the paint out later, if it's soaking. And I've started keeping a tub of water next to me, which is very, very helpful. Okay, so we have our white. Okay, and then we're going to come in with the Indian yellow.
So do I need to develop an 8-chamber?
No, they just need to be bigger chambers, so it holds more paint. The Indian yellow. We're going to do the Nickel Azo Gold. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put the Nickel Azo Gold on the other side. And with the burnt orange in the middle. I'm going to put some of the burnt orange in there. I'm going to stop and I'm going to put some gold on top. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to fill it back up with burnt orange. Okay. And then I use the turquoise in the last chamber. Okay. I need a tiny bit more white on these sides, a little white. Okay. Alright. Okay. So for this one, we are repouring on a 20-inch round Convexo canvas. This one's not bad. It's kind of interesting, looks like a feather or something, but it's not super, super amazing. So we're going to repurpose it. All right, so I'm going to put a puddle of gold in the center. And then we're going to pour this. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yeah, baby.
Okay, here we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. A lot of white on that side. That's okay. All right, same thing we did before, thinning out some white. I'm gonna put some gold around the edge. What we scraped off the table before. Let's thin this out a lot too, and then we'll put that around the outside. But I'm going to tilt that around first. We'll only use this if we need it. Alright. Now I'm tempted to spin this. don't know if I like it. What about you?
There's a lot to like.
Yeah. Huh, that's so funny. I thought for sure I was gonna love this. I like this. I like this. I like the lines in the white, which I thought I was gonna hate that much white, and I like this. I think this is bothering me where the Nickel Azo Gold hit that blue. Where did I have them? Yeah, because I had them next to each other in the cup. Alright, I'm just going to layer a regular cup. And we're going to try it one more time. Okay. So this is center. We're going to put a little bit over there. Okay, I'm going to do that little. Deal. You have to work on it again. Over there. Wait. I'm going to do it again. Get insulation better. No, you don't do it. Okay. We're gonna do this again. Now that it's selling up, it looks kind of neat. I'm just gonna go over these edges over here where it's not covered up, because I do want that all covered up before our next layer goes on. Alright, well, that is really pretty right there. So hopefully we'll get some cool effects. Should we do a straight pour? Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my lovely.
Okay, here we go. Okay, that's cool. That's really pretty, actually. Okay, let's wipe my hands off and then we'll torch it real quick. We got a rainbow.
That's what you're after.
I see hot rod flames.
Yay.
Joey doesn't want much in life, just some hot rod flames now and then, you know. Not too much to ask, is it? I just want to get this part off. I don't like it very much. Like greenish, orangey sort of color. I'm not gonna take your fines off, don't worry. That looks like a mushroom. What do you think?
Looks like a magical starfish.
Starfish. I think I need to take some of this off because there's too much there and now I just tripped in it. If I go fast, I can get that center part off. That's cool. Now that's all opening up and you can see the layers in there. And it's gonna sell. I like that better, I think.
Yep.
What about all of this stuff? What all of this in here? Oh, my hands aren't dripping anymore. Much. I like this. And I like this a lot. Do we like those fingerlings longer or do we like them more compressed?
Compressed.
Yeah. So there's too much paint in here in the middle for me to really stretch these out without losing what's on the side. I could lose some of this and then I'd be able to stretch that out, but do I want to? I don't think so. I think we're gonna leave it like that.
It's the world's grooviest sea anemone.
You see an anemone.
Don't hurt yourself, kid.
Take this. Get rid of some of this at the bottom. Bring it back. Some of that center part, and then we're going to open it up. The problem right now I'm having is that the weight of the paint is all in that center stripe, and if I want to spread out one or either of those sides to open up those lines, then I'm going to pretty much lose the other half.
Well, maybe you have to sacrifice one side.
Which side do you like better?
I like that side better.
This side?
I love that. I especially love that one corner.
Corner? It's a round canvas. Okay, we could try to take some of this off and open up. Okay, here.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Let's see.
Take it down towards that corner.
Okay, we're going to this corner now. Take off a little bit of that. Go down. A little bit more. Oh, come back. See, I like how that opened up. It's actually looking really cool right now.
Blair. There.
Okay. Okay, so I like that a lot better now. I like that both sides opened up where those fingerlings were. If I took off one side, then I could open it up even more like that, but I don't wanna, I don't know, should we lose some of this and open this up too?
Yeah.
So we got the weight of the paint's all up here, we gotta get it all the way down there. So we're just gonna rock it side to side. That's good, at least it'll open up this side even more. Okay, we're almost at the bottom, so I'm just gonna take off a little bit that's at the bottom there. And then we're gonna bring it back. Okay. And then all this should open up nicely. I think I'm going to stop there because I like everything that's happening so far. I'm happy with the composition on there. I'm happy with the colors on there. I'm going to torch it one time and then we're going to be finished. It's so funny how the drips are all green. It's from the Amsterdam blue-green with all those oranges and yellows.
Greenish blue.
Yeah, greenish blue. Every time, huh? Okay, so this is cool, and we're starting to get little cells in there that might be gold because we did pour into a puddle of gold. I like that I can see the blue-green. I like that I can see the orange, the Quinacridone Burnt Orange. I like that I can see the Nickel Azo Gold and the gold. And a little bit of that Indian yellow in there is really cool, some pops of it. So I like this. I think it's gonna dry really good. And that's awesome. So I am gonna scrape around the bottom because it is a convexo canvas, so we don't want it to keep dripping and dripping and dripping, and I will come back and check it in about 10 minutes to make sure it's not still dripping. But I don't expect it to move much more than this. So that's cool. That's cool. I will show you this one on Sunday when it's dry. Thank you guys so much for being here with us. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and a little bit of window into my process of testing. And you know, I'm definitely going to play with the spinner in that 10 by 10 straight pour. That's okay. I like to challenge myself and figure out things and improvise, adapt, and overcome, right? So,
Hoorah!
all right, I'll see you guys on Sunday. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day.